Welcome to the Padi demonstration of hand talk with human health monitoring system along with vibration alert. So here to this hand talk system we are making use of MEMS sensor. So MEMS sensor is used to detect the forward motion, backward motion and left right motions. So based on the hand tilting towards the respective direction, the system will announce the pre-recorded voices from this API 3383 voice module. So that is the first feature of the project. And the next feature is we kept the two health parameter sensors. One is a temperature sensor and there is a pulse sensor. So temperature sensor will provide us the temperature of the body and pulse sensor will provide us the heart rate of the person. So based on these two data, we are going to displaying that on this LCD screen, and the same data will be uploaded to the Blynk application with help of this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And it is the next third feature is, so if the person is in need of help, then if he or she press the switch, emergency switch, then the system will send the email alerts to the register email ID. And the next, if is there any abnormality detected, is a high heart rate or low heart rate or high body temperature. So based on the three abnormality conditions, the system will send the email alert same. So heartbeat mail alerts, temperature mail alerts and emergency switch mail alerts. So these are the mail alerts. And if anyone want to inform to the person about need something, then inform to this person, those who wore this gloves. So on the Blynk application, we have the one more feature is like switch, means alert message button will be there. So when we press that alert message button, then there will be a vibrator we place at the wrist section, so which will provide us the vibrations to alert this person about the messages. So here we have interfaced this input sensors to the PIC 16F73 microcontroller. So coming to the interfacings, so we have interfaced the pulse sensor, its pin number A2 and A0, A1 to the MEMS sensor, A3 for this temperature sensor and A4 to this emergency switch, and C0 to C3 for this voice module circuit. And this vibration motor interfaced through this transistor board, because if you want to on this buzzer vibrator, then we need to on the use this transistor as a switch, so which was interfaced at the B0 pin of our 16F73 microcontroller, and LCD as usually pin number B2 to B7, and Wi-Fi module which is interfacing between the kit and the Blynk application and to send the email alerts, interface at pin number C6 to C7. Right. So the whole system getting power supply from this 5 volts adapter, which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output directly. So on the mobile phone we can before on the kit we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So this is a Blynk application which we can get that. So just install the Blynk application directly from the Play Store. This is a Blynk IoT, and after that log into the Blynk application from the given credentials. So the next step is go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 5717 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after that, on the hotspot and data, log into the Blynk application and Gmail also. So this is the mail alerts which we will receive. So I need help. So when she or he press this switch, and the next high heart rate mails will be received like this one, high body temperature, and it consists of high body temperature, and every time you will get this health parameter details directly. So after the hotspot on, after the on the data, on the power supply to this. Right. So welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and then after mount this gloves in your hand. Right. As of now, it is providing the MEMS inputs. So actually, before on the kit only, better to mount this gloves on your hand.
I need water.
Right. So it's normal now. So you can see the message on the LCD screen also. So when the light is in on state, so the system won't take the MEMS input.
I need water. I need medicine.
Right. So there are 4 messages, and the system is continuously sending the health parameters on this LCD display and to this Blynk application. So we can see in the Blynk application. So generally when you log into that, right. So now before we have seen that there is an offline button, so icon. Now it is not there because the device is connected now. So after the offline goes, and when it is displaying the online indirectly, now restart this motherboard. Right, that's very important. Then only the vibrator will work. Now on this, so you can see the, so just you can just putting your finger properly, you can see the same heart rate parameters which is there on the LCD display are appearing on this Blynk application. So if this person want to intimate some information to the person, those who wore this gloves, then just by tapping here, so I'm getting vibrated over there. So the vibration will get switched on for 4 seconds at least as an intimation to the person. Right. You can sense that. I can sense the buzzer also. Right. And now the next is like if is the abnormal the heart rate. So for example, see before that, let me go with the switch. So if the person is in danger or if you need help, so when you press the switch, that's it. There's a light on this Wi-Fi model. We can sense that. And after 10 seconds duration, you will get the mail alert in your mobile phone as a notification alert. So those who log into this mail directly, they'll get that mail alert notification. Based on your network speed, the mail alert will be delivered. Right, we got the mail alert now. So that mail alert consists of I need help message. Right. So next, coming to the heart rate, just to make the high heart rate alerts, just I'm making the malfunctioning in this heartbeat sensor. So they will get the right. So when the heart rate is above 104, so you can monitor the same parameters in your mobile phone. So when it is 104, so you will get the email alert directly. And to the temperature also. While increase the temperature of the sensor, we should take care of.
I need medicine.
Because we mount it to the gloves. And coming to the motherboard connections remaining on this one. So this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the sensors and API 333 Wi-Fi module and LCD display to the microcontroller. So we are using this as a distribution one, and also we have placed the switch on this breadboard. Right, so we got the email alerts for high heart rate. So like same thing for the high body temperature and low heart rate. So this message will be sent from anywhere in the world, and we can access the data in the Blynk application. That too from anywhere in the world we can access that.
I need water.